Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can solve the problem of fail to initialize PlayStation PC SDK on Ghost of Tsushima. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. First, go to the shortcut of the game, right click on it and open the file location of the game. Now scroll down and you will find both these files on your installation folder. First you need to install both of this on your PC. I have already added the link of both files. If your version is not working on your PC, you need to install my version on your PC and the problem will solve. Now install the second file. Yes, and both file has been installed on PC. Now you need to open the game again. Yes, and click on play. If you have any question you can ask me on the comment section. I will help you on it. Now you can see that the problem has been solved. And so if you found this video useful guys, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video guys. Bye.